Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be bringing you some useful information that all of us ladies could use. It's about bras. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all. I ordered from Savage by Fenty recently. Y'all. Not only did Rihanna change the makeup game, she is coming for Victoria's Secret too. I am so happy I ordered from her. But let me tell you about it. So I have been wearing outfits and I never liked the way my upper half looked. And I say, you know what? I'm probably wearing the wrong bra size. Because I don't know about you, but I have never actually did the measurements to figure out my bra size. And I found out it is just really easy to do. So that's what I'm bringing you today. How to measure for your bra size. And I'm going to be showing you my haul from Savage by Fenty. So let's go. Okay, bra size is very important. It not only prevents you from getting those little bra marks on your shoulders. It helps your outfits look good, and it keeps your girls up and looking perky, especially if you need a little help in that area. Okay, so how to find your bra size is very easy. The first thing you need is a tape measure. And then once you get that tape measure, you're going to do two measurements. Okay? Now, the first measurement is your band size. Now, your band size is the bottom of the bra. Like, how is it going to fit around your body? Okay? So, how you measure that is you take your measuring device, put it under where your bra rests, and measure that. And whatever those inches are, that's your band size. Like if you say you're a 36, if you have 36 and you have 36B, 36C, 40A, something like that, the first number is your band size. Second number is going to be your bust size. So you take that same measuring device and wrap it loosely around the fullest part of your chest at the nipple level. And whatever, and you take that number. So you take that number and you subtract your band size, which was your first number, from your bust size, and you'll get something like 2 inches or 3 inches. And you use this measuring tool, and whatever that number is, the letter below it, that's your cup size.
So based on the measurements from this video, my bra size would be a 35D.
But what's very important to know is there's this thing called sister bra sizes, which means if you cannot find your bra size, you go one up or one down and it will still fit you. So there's a chart. There's a chart for 30 band sizes, 32 and so forth. So say you are a 30B and you can't find 30B. You can wear 28C or 32A down or up and you'll be good to go. Pretty simple, right? So hopefully that helps you. So now let's see what I got. Now, let's see what I got from Fenty. So I ordered from Fenty. I thought her prices were so reasonable. You got 2 bras. If I'm not right, I'll put it in here. 2 bras for, I want to say $40, and 2 panties for $40. So it comes in a pinkish box like this. This is the box. And I'll just show you what her bras look like. I got the full bras because I want to have full, certain shirts you need to have full coverage. You don't need to have stuff seeping out the top and the sides. So this is how her bras come. They come individually packed. And I'm telling you, they are just as good, if not better, than Victoria's Secret. She packs them very nicely. So I'm going to take those out. So, and these, I am a 40A. But I feel like a 48 is too big, so I went down on my sister's size. And then, so these are a, sorry, these are a 38B. I went down in my sister's sizes. So that's what they look like. Nice detailing. Very pretty. So I got, and this color is like a dark chocolate color. Hopefully the lighting is doing it justice. It's so pretty. It feels very nice. So I got that color. I got a plain black. They are under wire, but they don't have a lot of padding. So they are full coverage. That's the black pair. That's what the hook looks like. It's like a hidden hook. There's that. Nice straps. Very nice. And I also got a lighter brown color. I just want to show you the browns because I want to show you the other brown because I was so excited to get actual nude colored underwear. And this is just like the darker one, except it's more of a chocolate color. Has this nice detailing, as same as that other one. Very, very pretty. I also decided to get a few underwear from her. I just got the bikini. I wear thongs sometimes, but yeah, me and thongs do not get along, okay? So I just got like bikinis. And let's see what they look like. I got them in black and brown. Oh, very nice. They feel so nice. Oh, the material feels nice. And it feels like the type of material that won't be slipping and sliding all over your body, you know, like pulling up your underwear. It feels like it'll be good material to not stick to your body, but adhere to your body. Very nice. So I got a few of these. So these are their perfect bikini. So, but I'm really happy with my purchase. Thank you, Rihanna. You're doing it, girl. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.